Hey everyone, I wanted to share a little bit of what we were able to do. So this is the video Taylor sent us for this walkthrough right here. Let me show you what it looks like. So starting at second 22 right here. So this is the walkthrough all the way through 26 right here. So we were able to create a Gaussian splat. It's not really pretty. I feel like maybe there's a couple of things we could do to make it look a little bit better, but this is what we were able to capture from the camera. So you can see it gives us some approximations of where the joists are. You can see some of the webbing up here. Like I said, it's not the clearest thing in the world. And some of this stuff you can see is kind of like popping off the walls a little bit. And so we're trying to figure out what we can do to kind of straighten that out a little bit. But what's fun about this is if we go ahead and we turn the models back on, you can see the models loaded up in context here. And some of these, it looks like they have conflicts with each other. So like that's not a big deal. But you can see these guys are up here, these pipes trying to run in between the joists, and it looks like they might be too close together there. These guys are below the joist. That's great. What's interesting, and this might be an old model too, so like I wouldn't worry too much about this, but like where the ducts are trying to go through these openings in the wall. And you can see that where the Gaussian has the door and where the model has the door don't line up. So, if you scoot this over this much, scoot this over this much, that looks like it about lines. So there's potentially some work to do there on our end. But what's interesting is that this does um, bring up some questions like if we come over here to yeah, right here, you can see these two pipes here are running parallel and above where this joist is. And so that would be something to confirm as you're coming through the wall is, are you gonna clear that joist? You can see the door here is kind of floating a little bit, but once we get it aligned here, you can see we're still kind of up in that space. Anyway, so uh, if we can tighten up the model at all, we will. As far as the Gaussian splat goes, I have a couple of ideas on how to do that. We've also dropped in a PDF over here so you can see kind of where stuff's supposed to be going. It's not perfectly aligned. Again, I'm still working on that, but anyway, just kind of wanted to show you what we're working on over here and kind of what the plan is and what we're hoping to be able to get out of this walkthrough. Anyway, thanks.